like a lot, like 4 feet. Keep going. Stop. A tiny bit this way. Straight. A little bit that way. Okay, stop. Oh, you know what? Pull up a little bit more. Like more. Stop. Yeah, that's sick. Have a good night, y'all. That's good. We got a solid 15 minutes there.
Yeah, I don't think he didn't think he was gonna say anything, but then I think he's just out here smoking a cigarette and saw us, so.
Gotcha. Whatever. You stick around and then I'll take a look at what he's got going on. No cop in that truck, which is interesting. Like they just have it parked out there, so I don't know if they're like watching or not. Pull straight up. Pull up. Pull up to here. Like I want you to, like you, keep going until like you're more. Stop. All right. Ideally, we'll flip around. You can keep your windows down, I'll probably talk to you. Come a little bit like straight and left, like come up a little bit left. And then now straighten it out to your right. Go right and forward, no, forward. Stop. Oh yeah. That's sick. That is so sick. Off the brake real quick. Dude. On the brake. Dude. I mean, just look at this. You need to come this way a lot. Yeah, all the way. Straight. Just back it up. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Pull up. Okay. Perfect. So it covers that stripe up. Oh, this looks sick too. Oh, come on, give me the slow shutter. Give me the slow shutter right now. Okay, that wasn't as sick as I thought it'd be. Let's see what we got here. This lens is definitely good for the wide shots. I don't know how I feel about it for the zoomed in stuff. You know what could be cool? Turn your wheels this way and like pull, you know what I mean? All the way. Stop, just like that. Yeah, that looks sick. I'm doing a video. Give me a couple revs. That was pretty sick. I'm trying to think if there's any other shots here. This spot is so low key, it's sick.
Yeah, it's like no traffic.
Honestly, these bank doors look pretty sick. Pull up right up against them and I'll get a profile shot by the bank doors. Go back. A little more. Stop. Oh, this is actually so sick. Hold up. This looks great.